आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, welcome. The question states z equals 15x square plus 10xy minus 6x minus 4y. For which of the ordered pairs x comma y below is z not equal to 0? That means for which of these four ordered pairs x is not equal to 0. That means for three of these ordered pairs x is going to be 0 because only one option is correct, right? So let us proceed with this particular question. Here we have been given that if a pair a comma b is given to us, it is of the form x comma y, right? We know that. So this is nothing but x comma y, which is a corresponds to x and b corresponds to y. Now the expression which has been given to us is z is equals to 15x square plus 10xy minus 6x minus 4y, right? So let us check it first for option A, which is the very first option. Here we have the ordered pair as minus 3 and 2. So minus 3 is for x and 2 is for y, right? So let us put these values in this expression. So we have z is equals to, substituting x with minus 3, we have 15 into minus 3 square plus 10 times of, we have x into y. So x is minus 3 and y is 2. And then we have minus 6x. So minus 6 times of x is minus 3 minus 4 and y is 2. Right? So we can say this is equal to minus 3 square is 9. So 15 into 9 is 135 plus 10 into 2 is 20 into minus 3 is minus 60. So this is going to be minus 60. And we have minus 6 into minus 3, which is nothing but plus 18. And minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. So on adding all of these, we get this as equal to 135 minus 60 plus 18 minus 8. So if we do these two together, we have 75 plus 10, which is equals to 85, right? So the question said, which of the following ordered pairs is not equal to 0? So z is not equal to 0, it is equals to 85. So our correct answer is absolutely A, right? But we also check for the other options. So if we check for option B, right, the option B is minus 2 comma 3, which is nothing but x comma y. So we can say z is equals to 15 times of x square. So here x is minus 2, so minus 2 square plus 10 times xy. So plus 10 times x is minus 2 and y is 3. Then we have minus 6 times x, so minus 6 times, and x we have as minus 2. And then we have minus 4y. So minus 4 and y is 3. And upon simplification, this is 15 times of minus 2 squared is 4. So 60 plus 10 times 3 is 30 and minus 2. So 10 into minus 2 is 20, minus 20 into 3, which is minus 60. So it is going to be minus 60 for this term, second term. Then we have minus 6 minus 2, which is equals to plus 12. And minus 4 into 3 is minus 12. So as we can see, 60 minus 60 both cancelled out, plus 12 minus 12. So this is nothing but equal to 0. Now if we check for option C, right, once again here the point is 2 by 5 comma 0, 2 upon 5 comma 0, right? So this actually corresponds to x comma y. So if we write the expression for z, this is equal to 15 times of x squared, so 2 upon 5 squared, plus 10 times of x, 2 by 5 into y, so y is 0. That means we are multiplying by 0, so this term automatically vanishes, right? And this is we are adding minus 6x. So minus 6 times of, once again, 2 by 5, because x here is 2 by 5. And we have the final term as minus 4y. So minus 4 times of y here is 0. So 0, right? So now if we go and calculate this becomes 15 into 2 square is 4 and 5 square is 25. So 4 upon 25 plus this terms becomes 0 because we are multiplying by 0. So 0 minus 6 into 2 is 12 upon 5. And this once again becomes 0. So I can say this is equals to 60 upon 25 because 15 into 4 is 60. 60 upon 25 minus 12 upon 5. And 60 upon 25, if we divide by 5, this becomes 5 and this becomes 12. So it becomes 12 by 5 minus 12 by 5. So this is also equal to 0. Now, if we check for option D, right? So option D is 2 by 5 and 10, which corresponds to x comma y, right? So if we check final option, which is D, we get z is equals to 15 times of x square, which is 2 upon 5 squared plus 10 xy. So plus 10 xy, right? So plus 10 and x is 2 upon 5 and y once again we have here as 10. And then we say minus 6x. So minus 6 times of 2 by 5. And finally the term is minus 4y. So minus 4 and y is 10. Right? Now, this is equals to, so 2 by 5 squared is 4 upon 25 because 2 square is 4 and 5 square is 25. So 15 into 4 upon 25 plus 10 and 5. So 5 and is cancelled out and what remains here is 2. So we could say 2 into 2 into 10. So 2 into 2 into 10 is equals to 40. Minus, we have minus 6 into 2 upon 5. So we can say this is nothing but 12 upon 5. And once again we have minus 40 as the last term, minus 4 into 10, right? So this two terms gets cancelled out and 15 into 4 is 60. So I can say this is equals to 60 upon 25 minus 12 upon 5. And if we divide both of these terms by 5, we get 5 here and 12 here because 25 is also a multiple of 5 and 60 is also a multiple of 5. So 5 times 5 is 25 and 12 times 5 is 60. So we can say this is equals to 12 upon 5 minus 12 upon 5, which is equal 5, which is equals to 0, right? So this means that after calculating all the four options, option C came out to be 0, option B came out to be 0, option D came out to be 0, except option A, which came out to be 85, right? So the correct answer to this particular question is option A because the value of z for a comma b, which is minus 3 comma 2, is not equal to 0. It is equals to 85. So correct answer here is option A. That is it, guys. Thank you for watching.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।